Our pet garden snake is here again. I don't know if you saw it, it was picking out. But yeah, it's in the tarp. So, where you at, buddy? There it is. There it is. You see that? No, let's see if it can get out the other way.
Right there.
There it is. Hey buddy, go catch some mice. Okay. And I believe that's either a garter snake or a rat snake. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, I can still see it. Oh, there it is. Hey buddy. Yeah, we'll just leave her alone. I think she'll be okay. We bought more solar lights, guys. Solar street lamps or street lights. Yeah, we got 4 of these guys. It's also 6,000 lumens with remote control, and it has 3 different modes. It's off, then someone gets near, it'll turn on, then it'll turn off again in 30 seconds. The second one is going to be like a weak light. Then when someone gets near, it gets brighter, then gets weak again. And the third one, it's going to be on. It's not going to be off, it's just going to be on. So yeah, so we're going to test this out tonight. So yeah, we got 4. Let me show you guys where I installed it. The last one I still haven't installed it because I need to get a 4x4 so I can put it on the other side. But come on, let's go take a look at it, guys. It's about to get dark, so yeah, this one is tilted right now. This can be moved up and down. You can go all the way up, so the light will be facing that way, and it can also pivot, so you can go turn this way as well. Yeah, so we'll test this out later on and take a look. Got an on and off switch, the sensor light and all that. Yeah, here's the solar light. Well, solar panel. I have it tilted this way because the sun is right over there. So I just got it. It's actually really fast delivery. It's kind of like in 2 days it's here. But yeah, here's my strong one as well, a big one. And this one's smaller, as you guys can tell. But it's telling me it's the same lumens. We'll see guys, and see how this one is. And it's about to get dark. And let's go over to the other side and let's take a look. Here's the other 2. Those are recycled, so I cleaned up the area, put all the recycle, all the cans and all that, and plastics. But there's one right there as well, and the other one's right there. So we're gonna cover both of the outdoor dining area. This side will be lit, and the other side will be lit as well. And this one's going to be lit. I'm probably going to tilt that a little bit so the light will be facing that way, so you know we can see where we're going. And let's see the other one right here. There's the original one. So we got 3. The 4th one, like what I said, guys, I haven't installed it yet. I'm gonna put it on the other side of where the first one I showed you, so all the areas will be covered. I'm thinking of getting maybe 4 more, so I'll probably put 1 more right here on this area, maybe 1 more there in the back, We'll see, or maybe I can put it right there facing so the light will be facing that way. So we'll see. But yeah, really excited. So I'll show you guys in a minute once it gets dark and see how the new ones are. The sun is about to go down, 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 down. So excuse me, burp. Yeah, so we're gonna test it out and I'll show you guys how it is in a minute now. May I say, the sunset looks beautiful. Yeah, another gorgeous day, gorgeous sunset. Love it. Here's the original one that I bought. We're gonna do a little comparison. So let's take a look at the other one. Here's the new one. It's about the same, huh? What do you think, Lucky? Huh? What do you think? Okay, let's go look at the other one. Here's the other one. I got it tilted up. Yeah, it's pretty bright. So you light up this pathway right here, going to the outdoor dining area. So let's look at the third one. Yeah, I put it here with the where the original one is at. So that's the original. And here's the other one. Yeah, I got it on sensor. Yeah, it's bright too. So not bad. Not bad. What do you think, guys? Leave me a comment. Let me know. Okay, now it's on let's put it on sensor. There you go. 30 seconds. It'll go back to just the dim light. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Romy from Solid Gold Shows.